Construction sites can be, if not managed properly, hazardous places to work. However, one of the ways to reduce the risk is to limit the number of non-essential visits made to the site, and this can be achieved through digital technologies and BIM. BIM models can clearly anticipate, explain, and resolve potential issues. The challenge here is ensuring that consultants and contractors share models so a coordinated solution can be agreed. This project, as the topic suggests, focuses on creating a study on planning for construction safety at job sites using BIM. These are the main objectives of the project. We'll be evaluating the concept of BIM, its uses and benefits, particularly with respect to construction safety. We'll be creating a BIM model and 4D simulation to systematically and adequately analyze and identify the hazards and risk factors and eliminate them with appropriate measures at planning stage of the project. We'll be using BIM 360, a cloud-based platform for safety management in site. A brief summary into the concept. There are a number of practical applications that can be developed at each stage of the construction process to improve health and safety. There is a plenty of information that you can make use of within the BIM environment, and many ways of doing so, such as linking up documentation and improving relationship between the pieces of information and user guidance, as well as filtering so that only relevant information is extracted. Information can be gathered and translated into something useful which adds value. So, before initiating the construction work, the project supervisor shall prepare construction site layout plan showing how the site area is going to be used for organizing the required construction operations. In that connection, the project supervisor shall systematically and adequately analyze and identify the hazards and risk factors relating to the organization, practical arrangement, and use of specific construction sites, and eliminate them with appropriate measures. The methodology for completing this project. We'll be creating a BIM model for the proposed building. We can fetch the data of an ongoing project or a completed project for this study. We'll be exporting the created model to a project review software for virtual coordination and studies. We'll be identifying the risk factors and we'll be creating a visual simulation to plan the countermeasures. We'll be evaluating a cloud connected system for ensuring construction safety at sites. Several factors, for example, number and location of office facilities, personal rooms and storages, placement of cranes, machinery and equipment, placement of excavated earth and filling earth, placement of areas for loading, unloading, storing construction materials, substances and prefabricated elements, traffic in the construction site area, and connecting points between internal and public traffic must be considered to ensure construction safety. In the figure, you can see a pictorial representation of the methodology. On the top left, you will be able to see a completed BIM model. Project review software called Synchro will be used for evaluating the project. A pictorial representation of the methodology is given here. On the top left, we can see a completed BIM model. Synchro, a BIM project review tool, can be used to plan for safety hazards and risks before you start the work at the job site using dynamic spatial coordination analysis that identifies work area overlap, overhead crane risk, and potential for obstruction delays. To visually show safety hazards in the model, safety icons created by Synchro can be placed in the location and time of the hazards. Autodesk BIM 360 is a cloud-based platform which offers data in real time throughout the design and construction processes. We can make use of same for ensuring construction safety at job sites. We can communicate safety standards to workers in the field, execute safety inspection on mobile devices, and track safety issues to resolve problems and areas to avoid risky situations. We can prevent incidents with digital site safety checklists and access to documents on site. We can track daily safety operations to monitor performance and low safety issues and incidents. We can create and assign checklists, including location details and deadlines to the team members, roles, or companies. A key factor in safety planning and management is to properly identify any possible hazards before they occur. The building information modeling allows constructors to visually assess the job site conditions and recognize hazards. It provides them sufficient time to develop adequate hazard mitigation plans well before the start of the construction activities. Bimlabs Engineering Services and Private Limited and BIM Studio, project division of Bimlabs, is providing the opportunity to engineering aspirants to collaborate and complete their academic projects as explained in the session. Students enrolling for the program will be trained in the BIM authoring tools or softwares to complete the project. Internship in BIM Studio will also be provided to the students along with certifications. For more information and queries, please do refer to the contact details and we will be of your service. Thank you.